Guys, I'm Geek. In this video, I have an unboxing and hands-on look at a smart ring that I've been using for the last month already. This is the Momax OneSense Active Smart Ring. If you've been following my channel, you know that I did a video for this ring, which is the Ultra Human ring, and I've been using it since then. I've been really liking it, but this one just came out, and also they sent it to me so I can try it out, make a video for you guys. So that's what I'm doing here in this video. Just want to show you guys how it is, how it works, and what I like about it. So this is how it looks when you get it through the mail. Of course, the original boxing, like you see right here, it says advanced health fitness tracking, sleep analysis, health insight, long battery life. It says up to 6 days. Actually, I've been getting a little bit over 4 days. That's what I've been, in reality, I've been getting. I'm going to get it out of here so you guys can see how it looks. Of course, this works on Android and iOS as well. So there's an application you have to download for either device. And this is how it looks over here. Oh, I got it a little bit upside down. So there you go. So when you open it up, you got the instruction manual over here with the charging cable as well. It's right there. And here is the ring right there. Over here is the charging case. That's something that I love about this smart ring compared to this one, because this one actually came in this charging dock, right? You put the ring there and it charges. I'm going to take this out so I can show you guys the other one. So in this one, you would actually put the ring right there, and you will plug it in and it will charge. This one actually comes with a case, and in this case you can actually charge it like for 3 or 4 times. I think I've charged it like 3 times before I actually charge this case. And here it is. Also, the cool thing about this is the material that it's made of. It's actually made of ceramic, and it has a very nice gloss there. Now, there's no other color you could choose from. This is the only color you could choose from right now. And the inside is like gold right there. Gold color. Very cool. And of course, if you look in the inside, which you're not going to see here in the video, I think you see the brand of it. And you also see the size, and you see the sensors as well. But you also see the size. This is actually a size 12, which honestly I should have got a size 13, because you're supposed to use the ring on this finger over here, but I normally use it here because it's more comfortable. Now over here, when you're going to charge it, just open the case, just put it right there, voila, and it just starts charging. And there you go. Look at that. That's awesome. This is so convenient, because you could just charge this one time, and you'll, from the case by itself, you'll be able to charge the ring like 3 or 4 times, which is freaking awesome. And the ring itself, like I said, it's been lasting me around 4 days and a half. So you put it on, and that's it. That's how it looks right there. Nice looking glossy. I like the color. I like how glossy it actually looks. Now, the application you're going to download, of course, is the Momax applications, which is, this is how it looks when you open it up. Right here, you're going to see the daily score. Right now, I see I have an 83 score. It keeps refreshing every couple minutes. And over here, you got the sleep time and the calories wasted so far today, which is early in the morning, so I haven't wasted or burned any calories whatsoever. So you also have the options to run your heart rate, blood oxygen, and body temperature. So if I click right here and I want to run my heart rate, I just go ahead and press that and just wait for the heart rate to actually go through. Let's go wait for this to finish. Of course, when you're doing this, you should be like sitting down or staying still. There you have it. So my blood pressure right now, 81 BPM, and that's it. So same thing over here with body temperature. You could go ahead and take your body temperature as well. If you tap right here, you can see a report of your, it says recovery report right here. You got the score, you got the sleep of previous night, the score for your sleep, activity per day, 44, the heart rate, you can see that's like 72 and it's normal. Blood oxygen as well, you can see the parameters and the normal rate you should have, and you see body temperature as well. And keep in mind, this ring is actually $199, and there's no subscription whatsoever, so you're not paying anything extra. Over here you got the battery percentage. So right now it is at 80%, and it's connected. Over here, it also tracks your sleeping, which is good, something that you're not going to get it in a lot of rings, but it's cool that you get it here as well. So right now, last night, I only got 5 hours and 43 minutes, which is almost my normal. Normally, I sleep between 5 hours and 6 hours. If you click here to the side, that you can see the night before. So I actually did 6 hours and 4 minutes. And if you move this, you can actually see what happened while I was sleeping. There you go. Because this actually tracks if you did deep sleep, if you did light sleep, how much you did in REM sleep, and how many times you were awake. So like see there, last night I slept 5:43 minutes, which says good. And a deep sleep was actually 2 hours and 14 minutes. Light sleep, it was 2 hours and 14 minutes. And REM sleep, which I can't remember what that was for, is 1 hour and 15 minutes. And if you keep on going, it also tracks your nap. Sleep assessment, you got 79 score. And over here says the things you should improve over here. Like obviously my time sleep, I should improve that. Breathing was good, 78. Your sleep resting heart rate, 54 BPM to 62 BPM. And sleep heart rate variety. So you go ahead by week, or you could go ahead by month. And you can see the score by month. Over here you got recipient care, you got fitness. So here you can actually track your activity, like your steps, your distance, and your calories burned. And here you also got your exercise. So if you're gonna go start walking, you can press right there.
3, 2, 1, start.
And start walking. It will actually start tracking your walk, your distance, your calories, your steps. You go stop. Yep. Stop. No, stop. And I normally don't use this to actually track my steps or walking. I use Google Steps whatsoever. And you got attention here. Of course, since it's early in the morning, I haven't done anything. So this is what my assessment today so far has been. I've been 0 actively today. And of course, you could go over here and see your calendar, how active you were in a specific date. Like see that over 6,000 steps, your attention. Wow. There you go. And today. And of course, over here, you got the Sense My Ring. You can see my ring right there. Also, this ring also has a feature going for it. Supposedly it has touch features. Now, the touch features do work. The only problem is I don't use it. I had to turn it off because it was becoming a little bit annoying, because right here, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a little dot right there. So in this little dot, I could go ahead and swipe down, swipe up, press and hold. And what that does is that you can actually turn this on, and you can actually control music, you control video, you can control photos, reading, and slides. Right? But the thing is, if you leave it on, I was leaving it on and I was accidentally swiping up and down with my fingers, right? While I was talking or doing anything. And you would see the volume of my phone going up and down, or the brightness going up and down. It was kind of annoying. So I just leave it off and I just use it as a normal ring. But yes, this ring does have touch features. I just don't use it because for me, it became a little bit annoying. But yes, this ring does have touch features, but I just don't use it. Everything else is basically normal, what you really would expect from any smart ring. You know, track your sleep, your heart rate, your skin temperature, your daily activity, and all that. It's also water resistant, so you can shower with this. I actually do shower with this ring. I do wash my hands with this ring or anything with this ring, so I have no problem whatsoever. But other than that, guys, I'll leave links in my description just in case you're actually interested in getting this ring. I'd say so far I've been using it for almost a month already, and I've been really liking it, especially because it comes in this case right here. You know, and I could just travel with this case and charge it at least 3 or 4 times, and that's it. The only thing that I would love, I wish I did, was get my size correctly, because in reality I should have been a size 13 instead of a size 12, and that's why I have to use it right here. But in reality, you should use it on this finger over here, not here. That's what they recommend. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching this video. I just want to share a look at the Momax 1 Sense active ring, smart ring. Thanks for watching this video. I'll leave links in my descriptions. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.